if you like it, we'll offer you a very good price. And don't worry about the hair colors. This is natural hair, so we can change it to other colors. Maybe brown or blonde. Thank you. Let's see next one.
Okay. Hello everyone. Now I will introduce a mantle top. This wave is the 3 centimeters wave. You can see it is very beautiful. You can see the crown. The crown is very natural. You can see the hair quality is very good. Very good. Okay, now let's see the base. The base in the back have 4 eyes, and the eyes it is mono. Okay, in the front is a French lace, and here is PU, and in the middle is mono. You can see. Okay, now let's see the hairline. You can see the hairline is very natural, right? Knots is very small. Okay, let's see the lace. Now the lace is in my hands. You can see the lace is very transparent. The good is very good. The quality is very good. Now let's see the inside knots. This knot is in the mono. You can see the knot is very small. Okay. Okay, this color is number 7. It's number 7. Okay. And the hair length is 15 centimeters. And the wave is 3 centimeters wave. Okay. The base is very soft, and it is very breathable, because in the middle is mono, and here all mono, and in the front is lace. Okay, if you like it, you can contact us. Okay, now you can make a screenshot. This base size is front to back is 10 inches and side to side is 8 inches. Okay, if you like it, you can contact us. Okay, now today our live will finish. Okay, if you like which system, you can contact us. See you tomorrow. Bye.